In this video, we'll go through the program team management roles. The business program owner is the most senior program-level business role, and they are the program champion. This includes a commitment to the program vision and outcomes, the new capabilities to be enabled, and a new business architecture model. The role is ultimately accountable for successful completion of the program and realization of benefits. The business program owner will hold a very senior position within the organization and will be able to resolve business issues and make program-level financial decisions. Their responsibilities will include providing overall strategic direction both during the design of the program and during its execution, ensuring continued commitment to the program at all levels and including the provision of funds and resources. They must also ensure the program vision and goals remain aligned to the business strategy and manage the interface to key stakeholders and ensuring they remain committed to the program outcome. They also ensure the decision-making process for escalated program issues is effective and rapid and respond quickly to escalated issues. The business change owner is senior member of a specific business area and is responsible for realizing the benefits that new capabilities will provide in that area of the business while maintaining the consistency of the capabilities. The business change owner will assume project-based roles such as business visionary, senior user, or product owner, depending on the framework or method being used to deliver a given project. It may be necessary to carry out a number of change initiatives so they can achieve benefits realization. They may delegate these to one or more of the business change agents. The approach to implementing change in the business needs to be considered. While this remains the responsibility of the business change owners in the program, it may be appropriate to consider specific change management activities. This may require specialist business change managers. The responsibility of the business change owner include defining the benefits of the area of responsibility and ensuring that projects are aligned to meeting the benefits and the goals and vision of the program. They also create and monitor the plan for benefits realization in their area and react to business change to ensure that proposed benefits are still viable. They lead the change in their business area and manage stakeholders within their area of business and ensure the decision-making process for escalated program issues is effective and rapid. Additionally, they respond rapidly to escalated issues. The business change owner should demonstrate a number of agile characteristics, including incremental definition and planning of benefits, constant review of proposed benefits against changing business strategy, and empowerment and commitment of project teams to deliver the outputs required to realize the benefits. They must show strong communication of the program vision and a gentle steering of project teams towards the program vision. The program manager is responsible for all aspects of the delivery of the program, from setup through to delivery of the capabilities and the mechanisms for benefits realization. In an agile program, the program manager coordinates all aspects of the management of the program, but will leave detailed project planning and delivery to the project teams. They must ensure that the program vision is maintained, that the defined capabilities are delivered, and that together with the business change owners, the benefits are realized. The program manager will assume the responsibilities of project roles such as business sponsor or executive. This ensures integrity of the program's portfolio of projects, which will have been planned to provide total, non-overlapping coverage of the program's deliverables. The more autonomous the projects, the more likely it is that the projects will change their outputs to address the business needs as seen from their project view, rather than from the view of the program as a whole. It's crucial that the program manager has a firm hand on all project board decisions to avoid gaps in the program set of deliverables opening up, or effort being wasted as projects perform unnecessary overlapping activities. They must be responsible for incremental iterative program design and planning, monitoring progress against the program design and build, ensuring that outputs delivered from projects are aligned to meet the vision of the program and that the planned benefits are enabled and eventually realized. They also manage risks and issues at a program level, creating an environment where projects can be autonomous while delivering consistent capabilities. They also must understand and manage project interdependencies, ensuring there are no overlaps between projects, manage inter-project conflicts, ensure that all reviews are carried out, and manage and communicate with all stakeholders. Together with the stakeholder engagement coordinator, they must ensure clear and continuous communication between all stakeholders, especially project teams. The characteristics needed are incremental definition and planning, constant review of proposed outcomes to ensure current viability, empowerment and commitment of project teams to deliver the outputs required, strong communication of the program vision, and gentle steering of project teams towards the program vision.